Right now, we're going to open up the Stellar Crown Elite Trainer box and see everything inside of it. Check it out. First up, a player's guide to tell you all the rules and a beautiful blue box to keep everything organized and secure. There are 9 Stellar Crown booster packs inside. I love the artwork on these. Look at how gorgeous that is. The card protectors have a serious wow factor. I want to get a close-up on that. These will keep my cards nice while I'm playing with them. It comes bundled with a Noctowl promo card. Gorgeous holographic, look at that. Matching dividers for the box, love it. And some status markers too, those are useful. Some matching blue dice, these work for counting damage on the Pokemon. And a whole bunch of energies. I believe these are randomized, so what I get may differ from what you get, but you get the idea. This is a gorgeous set. I love the Terrapagus print all over everything. I love the colors. I think any Pokemon player or collector should consider getting one of these. I love the artwork on these. Look at how gorgeous that is. Some people keep the packs